Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really pretty ombre and nail stamp design. So first I'm going to start off with the ombre, and I'm going to apply on a clean makeup sponge, peach and white. Now the peach is by Color Club, it's called Hot 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 Pants, and the white is by Sinful Colors and it's called Snow Me White. Now I already painted my nails with peach, and I do that because usually I do it when it's two colors because it just helps to pick up the design much faster, the ombre much faster. It doesn't take a longer time than doing the white base because sometimes the white base just gets in the way. So that's just my way of doing it. It's just a quick little easier ombre for me to do. Now, once I was done with the ombre, I'm going to use my Born Pretty BP-L018 nail plate, and I'm going to apply pink onto it. This is a hot pink by Orly. It's not a stamping polish, it's just a regular nail polish, but I just thought adding that pink on top of the whole design just made this design really cute and girly. I just have to say I love the look of it. It was just so cute. It's perfect for springtime. It's just a really pretty design. Now, once I placed the design on my nails, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy for you guys to recreate, and I hope you liked it as much as I did. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.